Carrier oils come from nuts, seeds, or kernels that contain essential fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, minerals, and other crucial nutrients. You will find a variety of carrier oils including olive oil, almond oil, and pomegranate oil, each possessing different therapeutic properties. Now, these are distinct from essential oils as carrier oils do not contain aromatic scents or may have just a very slight, faint scent and evaporate due to their large molecular structure. For this reason, most use carrier oils as a vehicle for applying essential oils to the skin, yet they do offer their own healing properties, which essential oils do not possess.